Did you know that yawning during study sessions actually improves your memory retention? Here's why. When you yawn, your brain floods with oxygen and increases blood flow to your prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for learning and memory. Scientists discovered that yawning cools your brain, helping it function at peak performance. Your neurons fire faster, your focus sharpens. Plus, yawning triggers the release of neurotransmitters that strengthen neural connections, making information stick longer in your memory. So next time you're studying and feel a yawn coming, don't fight it. Embrace it. Your brain is literally optimizing itself for better learning. Pretty wild, right? Follow for more brain-boosting hacks.